Hey guys, it's Mikayla and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be going over some gift ideas that you can gift to anyone who just graduated law school or may have just taken the bar and passed it. Finding gifts for lawyers can be very difficult, or so I've been told from my friends and family in my life when they were trying to find out what to get me. So I figured I'd make a video to help you guys out and give you guys some ideas in case you are just as lost as everyone in my life was. And in this video, there will be gift ideas ranging as low as under $20 and all the way up to multiple hundreds of dollars, so there will definitely be something for everyone's budget. I'm also visiting my family right now, so excuse the random background, the questionable quality, and everything else chaotic that this video might contain. And if you guys are watching this video on the day that it's posted, today is my birthday, and I'm really excited that I get to share some gift ideas with you guys. So before we get into these gifts, I would really love if you guys gave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and be sure to hit that bell so you're notified of when I post new videos. Starting with gift idea number 1, this is going to be for the people who are trying to spend $20 or less. And as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I did want to include something for everyone's budget, so keep in mind the $20 or less gifts are definitely going to be a little bit more on the basic side, but they're still great ideas. So for $20, I would suggest looking down the mug or t-shirt route. There are some really cute and unique t-shirt and mug ideas I've seen on Amazon and on Etsy. Etsy is a great place to look for things like this because they're smaller shops and typically have a lot more variety and versatility than things you'd find on Amazon will. But both websites are great options, and I will put some of my favorite ideas on the screen so you guys can get an idea of kind of what's out there if you are looking to go this route. Gift idea number 2 is creeping into the $30 range a little bit, so if you are looking to spend a little bit more money, then you can get this. And this gift is actually something I purchased for myself not too long ago because I found it not too long ago, and when I saw it, I immediately knew it was something I needed to have. And that is this Esquire hoodie that I found on an Etsy shop. The font is really cute and simple, and I love how at the bottom underneath it says established in whatever the years you took the bar and passed the bar and presumably became a lawyer. I actually wore this crew neck in a past video, so if you were wondering where it was from an Etsy shop that I found. At the time I'm making this video, the crew neck comes in white, pink, and blue. And again, it is still on the lower end. It is around $30, but I think it would be a really cute and thoughtful gift for anyone in your life who recently became a lawyer. Now, with everything I just said about gift idea number 2, gift idea number 3 might be my favorite. And we're actually with this gift creeping into the $40 range. So again, nothing crazy, but a little bit higher than, you know, the $20 and $30 options. And gift idea number 3 is this desk nameplate. I also got this nameplate from an Etsy shop and I am in love with it. I got it customized to say my name, Esquire afterward, and the little scale of justice symbol. You can get yours customized to however the person in your life you think would like it. And I love this desk holder specifically because it does have a place for business cards as well. So the whole thing looks really nice, clean, and professional, and I think it would be a great gift for anyone who recently became a lawyer. Gift idea number 4 is interesting because the price of this gift can be as low as $20 and go upwards of over $100 depending on the one you get. This gift idea is a customized padfolio. If you guys do not know what a padfolio is, it's something that a lot of lawyers use when they go to court. It keeps your legal pad in there really nice and neatly. It has a place for pens, it has a place for business cards, and it can have a ton of different things depending on the padfolio you end up getting. You can get padfolios from anywhere, by the way. Walmart, Home Depot, Amazon, Etsy, literally any place that sells office supplies, they will probably sell padfolios. Now, I did say customized padfolio, so if you're interested in getting the padfolio you buy customized, that's when I would probably look to Etsy. On Etsy, they have a ton of different options for customization and a ton of different options as far as the material as well and the quality. And that's why the price can fluctuate so much. So this gift idea in theory could work for anyone regardless of your budget, and it really just depends on how much you're willing to spend on this particular item. But I love my padfolio. I use it every chance I get. It makes me feel so professional and cool, and I love it. So I think it would be a great gift, again, for any lawyer in your life. And gift idea number 5 is for the people who are okay with spending hundreds of dollars. You're willing to drop some bands, you got the money, and you're willing to spend it. And this might be a little unconventional, probably not something you guys would realize we need, but the number one thing all lawyers will need at some point are diploma frames. This is not something a lot of people think about, but diploma frames are insanely expensive, especially if you're framing multiple things. Now, of course, you can go to any store and get a cheap picture frame, but for a lot of us, this is the last schooling we're ever doing. We're not going back to school after this, and this is kind of like the big accomplishment you want to have displayed in your office really nicely. So lawyers do end up spending a lot more money than you would probably think getting their diplomas framed, and anything that you can contribute toward that, I promise you they will be extremely grateful for. I didn't get my diplomas framed until probably 6 to 8, maybe longer months after I took the bar exam, because I was trying to save up money. I wanted to compare all of the prices. But what I would recommend, you can either gift them some money toward their diploma framing, or I got my diplomas framed at Michael's. Michael's is a great place to get your diplomas framed because they always have discounts. They always have some sort of discount or sale going on in the custom framing department. And speaking from experience, Michael's did a wonderful job on my frame. So that's where I would suggest going. Of course, you can always look into other options as well. But if you don't want to just give them cash, you can always give them a Michael's gift card and let them know that the purpose of it is to get their diplomas framed. And I promise you, they will be so incredibly appreciative. And that is all the gift ideas I have for today's video. But if you guys like this video and found it helpful and you'd like me to make a part 2, I would be more than happy to do that. Just let me know in the comments down below. And also comment down below any other gift ideas you guys may have thought of that I did not mention in this video. And I will see you guys next week. Goodbye and go thrive.